Hey, it's Peter with the Move, Live, Love Texas team, and we're back out at our open house. It's in Spring, Texas. That's in Spring Lakes. It's at 25602 Oak Churn Place. Hopefully you can kind of see it behind us. It's a beautiful one-story, 3,300 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3 full baths. My gosh, it's got a study. It's got a main family room, but it's also got a secondary family room. It's got a sunroom, formal dining, formal living. It's got everything. A whole house generator from Generac. So let's go check and see what it's got inside. So you can see coming in, beautiful foyer. You got a formal living space here. They actually have a grand piano here. And up front, you got a couple of really nice sized bedrooms. And a full bath. And you can see the front bedroom. So really nice size rooms that are in here. As we move forward, we're going to kind of do it a little bit quick, but you've got a really, really large formal dining. If we swing around, you'll come into the kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances, granite counters. We've actually got a movable island. This island here is movable. You can kind of swing around and get an idea of, again, a lot of cabinetry, a lot of cabinet space. This is your breakfast area, which is really large. If you come around, this is actually a study. So a very large room. Everything in this house is big. You've got a small kind of mudroom-ish concept that's here. And there is actually a patio, hopefully you can see, that's actually outside there. As we swing around here, we've got a secondary family room. So a lot of folks we've talked about, this could be a great game room, this could be a media room. And so if we come back out, we can actually go this direction, or if we walk all the way around. And before we do that, let's pop into a very nice size utility room. And then like I said, as you come around here, what you'll see is a really very, very nice family room. Incredible size. Got stonework on the fireplace, which is beautiful. This walkway here will get you into the master suite, or the primary bedroom, I should say, sorry. And again, this is a big room. High ceilings, kind of get an idea of how big it is. As we keep moving forward, what you'll see is a primary bath, dual sink. This does not have, they took the tub out and actually made it a larger shower. And then as you come into the master, or should say primary closet, again, this thing goes around the corner. So a great size closet. And as we come back through, we'll show you down this hallway another bedroom. Kind of a private suite because you've got bedroom and its own bath here. And again, these are very nice size rooms. Good size closet, walk-in closet there. This house has a whole house generator, Generac whole house generator, and then you've got an enclosed patio here. It could be a sunroom, whatever you want to call it. So you can get an idea of what's in here. Yard space is actually good. I mean, you've got some that's around the corner on this one side. Come all the way around here, you can see that there's a lot of room for, it's not a small backyard. And on this other side, they actually have a small patio. They've got a storage shed that's here. So, a lot of really good features. You can kind of see way down up here, there's the generator. So like I said, this is 25602 Oak Churn Place in Spring, Texas, and Spring Lake. So come out. We're going to, like I said, we're doing an open house right now from 11 to 2. Hope to see you out here.